Hey guys, welcome. It's Aline McCarthy. I'm a massage therapist, a gyrotonic teacher, and I'm also a certified aromatherapist. And I'm also a mom, and I'm really passionate about helping you guys remove toxic personal care products out of your life with natural remedies, replace them with natural remedies. And I just quickly wanted to show you how easy it is to make a gorgeous, lush, whipped body butter out of completely natural products that will really moisturize and nourish your skin. It can be a gorgeous gift to someone. And so let's get started. All you are going to need is 1 cup of cocoa butter. And I urge you to actually purchase only certified organic products with the base ingredients, because the whole point was to remove toxins out of your life, and everything that you apply to your skin is going to be absorbed into your bloodstream, and that can potentially disrupt your endocrine system. It can be carcinogenic. You know, all these chemicals out there, they're really not good for you, and they end up in your bloodstream. So the whole point is to be natural. If you're then using non-organic products, you're having pesticides that you're slathering on your skin, so that makes no sense whatsoever. So please use organic. So we've got 1 cup of cocoa butter that we are basically just going to pop into some boiling water. I've got a bowl here on top, so basically it's just the bowl that gets heated from the boiling water underneath. This is a double boiling method. Because the cocoa butter is solid in a room temperature, it obviously needs to be melted to be able to be whipped. And it melts really quickly, so just stir it a little bit and let that sit. Then you are basically just going to add half a cup of extra virgin coconut oil, certified organic of course, because it's very hot in Sydney at the moment. My coconut oil is already in a liquid state, so I don't need to melt it. But if you are in winter, then it will probably be in solid form. So then add it to the cocoa butter and also melt it. I'll just do it for the sake of mixing all the ingredients together. I'll add it to this here, and that's already really melting. Hang on, I'll just quickly show you the inside of the bowl. So here's the cocoa butter, a couple of solid bits left, but it's almost melting just from the steam on the bottom of the pot rising. See how quickly it melts? So that's probably just another 2 minutes. And then you can add another half cup of any other base oil, so jojoba oil or a olive oil, even like a very mild olive oil, but I'm going to use extra virgin macadamia oil today. So half a cup of that, and that you will also put into that bowl and measure into that bowl, and then you'll have, see here it's all melted almost. You can turn that heat down. Then you basically get a gorgeous mixture of liquid base oils together, and that has to go back into the fridge. So either put it into the fridge in that bowl, and it might take up to 2 to 3 hours to actually firm again. So we then want it to set again and be firmer. Depending on how cold your fridge is, it's just going to take a couple of hours, but don't let it go completely firm. So kind of the stage before it's completely solid again. Then you will just basically either put it into your Thermomix, or if you have a hand mixer or any other stand-up mixer, KitchenAid, it doesn't matter. You're gonna whip that up for a couple of minutes until it's nice and fluffy and it forms peaks. And it's going to be really like almost like a whipped cream sort of consistency, but more fatty obviously. I then add my favorite, you know, whatever flavor of essential oil that I want the body butter to have. So because it's very hot here at the moment, I will probably add a few drops of peppermint oil, because it gives you that cool and fresh feeling on your skin, and it kind of cools you down, so it will feel amazing when I come back from the beach. Give me that really cool sensation on my skin. But if you're in a continent where it's winter at the moment, I might add something more wintry, like as beautiful cinnamon and orange, or I might add something more nurturing for the skin, like a frankincense or a sandalwood. So it depends what skin type you are and what your most preferred smells are. If you have children or babies, you can just add something really gentle like a lavender or Roman chamomile, and also obviously just reduce the drops that you're putting in of the essential oil. So just a few, you know, 1 or 2 drops for a baby can be plenty to make this whole body butter calm them down before bedtime and help them to sleep a little bit. So I hope that kind of helps. Because this liquid mixture now has to set in the fridge, I will take a break and then I will show you the results later. So this is now completely liquid. I will now add half a cup of the macadamia oil, but as I said, you can add any other beautiful base oil that you like. Jojoba, olive, sweet almond could be really nice. So that's half a cup. I'm measuring that in. Give it a bit of a whirl. Make sure it's a little bit mixed up, and then it goes in the fridge. And then afterwards you just whip it up, add your essential oil, and that's it. And then I'll put it into glass jar that I like recycling. If you have any beautiful glass jars, or mason jars can be gorgeous, and then it will you can store that in the fridge as well if you live in a hot climate. So that's it. It's literally how long did this take me? Like 3 minutes to melt. It will take a couple of hours to set, but that's not any work involved in that. And it will take me about 2 minutes to whip up into stiff sort of whipped form. And there is your 5-minute Lush body butter that has absolutely no toxins inside and will completely feel like a spa treatment, but also really nurture your skin with the natural ingredients and vitamins that are already in the coconut oil, in the macadamia oil, or whichever oil you've chosen, the cocoa butter. So you've got a lot of amazing benefits, and then the essential oils add some benefits there as well. So I hope that helped. I hope you find it interesting of value. Give me some comments and likes. Ask me some questions, and also reach out if you want me to send you more easy recipes of how to make your toxin-free natural skincare. I've got plenty of recipes for you, so reach out. Bye-bye.